Today we'll be delving into the world of sheriff courts in Scotland. These courts play a crucial role in the Scottish legal system, handling a wide range of cases from civil matters to some surprising criminal twists. Get ready for an eye-opening journey through sheriff court cases, example crimes and hearings. For civil cases valued at £100,000 or less, the sheriff court holds complete jurisdiction. These cases might include divorce hearings, disputes over child custody, personal injury claims, matters relating to adoption, and much more. But what about civil cases with a higher value? Well, in some rare circumstances, cases over £100,000 may still be heard at the sheriff court. The court follows either the simple procedure for cases worth £5,000 or less, where much of the process is automated, or the normal procedure for cases above £5,000, which may require legal representation. Apart from processing civil cases, the sheriff court has additional responsibilities. If you happen to be declared bankrupt, the court administration will handle any attachment to earnings order that results from it. The sheriff court can also make rulings on debt under the Debt Arrangement and Attachment Scotland Act and issue licenses to bailiffs who collect debt. Now let's clarify an important point. Generally, criminal cases don't fall under the jurisdiction of the sheriff court. However, there are cases where criminal activity might be uncovered during a civil case. Depending on its relevance, it may be referred to the High Court or prosecuted separately. Let's dive into some real-life examples of the cases that find their way to the sheriff court. Number 1. Divorce with custody of a child being contended. The court will rule on asset division and child custody arrangements, considering the best interests of the child and the parties involved. Number 2. Personal injury. The court will review evidence to determine if the defendant's negligence caused physical or mental harm to the claimant, and if so, it will decide on appropriate compensation. Number 3. Adoption of a child. Prospective parents seeking adoption will be evaluated by the court, which will decide if they're suitable and grant a certificate of adoption accordingly. Number 4. Disbursement of a last will and testament. In uncontested cases, the court ensures the will's disbursement as well as its instructions. For contested wills, the court will decide whether to overturn it and distribute the assets accordingly. If you want expert advice on legal issues, then a popular option is to consult a solicitor. There's many online solicitors that work out cheaper and easier than meeting in person. Just Answer, for example, only costs £5 for a trial. I know a guy who managed to save over £271 on a parking ticket by using their service. I've linked that offer in the description below, and if you use that, you'll also be supporting MoneyNerd, so thank you.